In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename, clone, remove, or delete reports on the dashboard in Hubspot. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser and go to the Hubspot homepage. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct website, as that's where all the action begins. Once there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Hubspot home. Here is where you can fully access the features you'll need to work with reports. Next, look for the reporting section. This is where all your reporting tools and dashboards are housed, so clicking here will be an essential step in our process. With the reporting section open, locate the reports tab. This area will list all the reports you've created or have access to, which is the key to managing them. Now, the critical part of our tutorial involves the actions drop-down. This little area is powerful, offering various actions you can take. First, let's learn how to rename a report. Click on the Actions drop-down and select Rename. This option will allow you to give your report a new title, which can be incredibly helpful for organizing your dashboard effectively. Highlight the current report name, erase it, and type your desired title. And just like that, you've renamed your report. Remember to click anywhere outside the text box to save your new report name. Now back to the Actions drop-down, because it's time to learn how to clone a report. Cloning can be useful if you want to create a similar report without starting from scratch. In the drop-down, select Clone. This will duplicate your report, making an exact copy while keeping the original intact. It's as simple as that. By renaming the cloned report with the techniques you now know, you can repurpose it for any specific need you have. Finally, let's talk about deleting a report. It's important to make sure you're absolutely certain before deleting, because this action is irreversible. Open the Actions drop-down once more and choose Delete. A confirmation message might pop up to ensure that you want to proceed with this permanent action. Confirm your choice and the report will be removed from your dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to rename, clone, and delete reports on HubSpot. These simple yet effective skills can greatly enhance how you manage your dashboard, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful HubSpot tips and tricks.